Hello, hi and Jai children. This is your Ruth Miss back with today's class. How are you all after 2 days holidays, children? All are fine? Fit and fine? That's very good. Now, is it raining over outside? No? So how is the climate, children? Is it sunny or it is cloudy or is it raining? Yes, I at least feel it is sunny. Okay children, now before beginning our today's class, we'll start up with the prayer. Okay? So you all have to join your hands and close your eyes. Children, you have to repeat the Gayatri Mantra. So you have to stand when you are repeating the prayer. Om Bhurbruvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Om Bhurbruvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Yes children, now we'll repeat the prayer. Bless us Lord throughout this day, while at school, at home, at play. Help us to love and not to hate. Bless our country, our people, our state. Thank you, God. You can open your eyes, children, and we'll just do a jogging, that is running in the place where you are standing. Yes. Okay, children, do this for 1 minute. All have done? Doing? All are doing? Yes. Very good. Now we will do the butterfly fly with our fingers. Okay? Take your 2 hands, catch it, say, do like this. Do like this? Yes. Now how do fish swim? Can you show with your finger and hand? Yes. See here? This is the fish swimming. Now put your hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand. Very good children. It's very nice. Now we'll recite a rhyme. New rhyme about on rabbit. Okay? Here is a boy with rabbit. He's asking the rabbit what he likes to eat. So all will say this rhyme. Repeat after me. Hello Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Hello Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Will you have some tea? Who is asking? The boy is asking. Then what the rabbit is telling? Oh no, thank you. Rabbit is telling, oh no, thank you. I don't have tea. I have carrot, but not tea. Okay? So, this is there in your textbook, children. Here. In the rhyme book. So, we'll recite this and you all can by heart. Okay, children? So, shall we start? Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Repeat, children, once again. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Will you have some tea? Oh, no, thank you. Not for me. I'd rather have a carrot, but I won't have tea. So, rabbit is telling, I don't have tea, but I have carrot. I like to eat carrot. Okay? Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Will you have some tea? Oh, no, thank you. Not for me. I'd rather have a carrot, but I won't have tea. Once again. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Will you have some tea? Oh, no, thank you. Not for me. I'd rather have a carrot, but I won't have tea. Yes, children, this was the rhyme. So you have to recite the rhyme. This is the 8th rhyme in your textbook. Okay? Now we'll start with writing book. Okay, children? Is all open your Remove your textbook to page number, Periwinkle writing skill, capital and small letter, to page number 23. Okay children, here is an activity for you all. So this is very nice activity. So just write today's date. What is today's date? Yes, today's date is 2/8. Middle you are writing 7. Now you have to write 8 because from yesterday it is started August month. Okay, we have stepped into August month. So 2021. Here what you have to do is identify and circle only the capital letter. Okay, we have completed A, B, C and D letters. From that you have to only circle the capital, that is big letter. See here. C. Only the big letters, capital letters you have to circle children. A, D, A, D, C, B and D. Okay, so these are the capital letters. Children, you can use even crayons to circle these letters. Okay, now we will start writing letter E. Before that, reading of letter E words. Very good. Yes, here is the E. So children, can you recognize this? Letter E, capital and small. Standing line, 3 sleeping line is big letter, and then take a curve. Okay, E for elephant. E for elephant. Next, turn the, shall we see what are there again? Yes. Now here is eagle. Can you see here? E for eagle. E for egg. E for egg. E for engine. E for engine. E for elephant. Okay. So children, these are the boy showing to his elbow. E for elbow. So children, how many words are there? There are S, eagle, eggs, engine, elbow, elephant, and this is the emu bird. E-M-U, emu bird. Okay, so these are the words in this poster. Yes children. Now next we'll come to writing. Okay, capital letter E. You have to write today's date here once again, that is 2/8 and 21. Okay, letter E, first write standing line, 3 sleeping line. E for year, again here you can see year. E for year. You have to trace the first standing line, 3 sleeping line. See children, it is easy. Yes, so you complete this and again complete even the small letter. Okay, turn the page. Here, see E for egg. Once again, classwork. Write the date and write E from inside. Just come. You all know to write C, right? Yes, just come from inside. See here. You can see. Yes, this is letter E. Complete the page and then complete the classwork only in the textbook, not in the notebook children. Okay. Now children, read and write. When you are writing, you should say E for elephant, E for egg, E for engine, E for eagle, E for emu, E for elbow. You can say all the words which you remember which begin with letter E. You all are good children, right? Yes, and also by heart the rhyme, that is hello Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Okay. Yes children, I'll be back with the next class. Till then, complete this given work. Bye children, take care.